What up, Chia Nation? James here. And today, what we're going to be talking about is gas prices. Right now, we all know gas prices are soaring. It's crazy insane right now. I've never seen gas hit this high. But so that's why I'm wondering, what are y'all doing? Like, what are you doing, man? What are you doing about gas prices right now? Shit, even Ryan Reynolds is speechless on that one. But for real, what are you guys doing? You guys upping your prices as the gas goes up? You keep going up. Do you have a monthly set price where if you skip a week, that week you skip helps offset gas prices? Like there has to be a trick. There has to be something that you guys are doing. So what are y'all doing? Drop it in the comments. Let me know. 2022, damn. It just seems like shit just keeps getting worse and worse every single year. We get COVID one year, now we get gas prices now. And shit just doesn't stop. But enough bitching and complaining. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm just sitting here trying to ask all y'all out there in the world, what are you guys doing to help offset the gas prices, to make a profit, in the lawn care world, not in different things like landscaping or concrete, stuff like that. Just my lawn care people, like, what are you guys doing? Um, you know, you gotta make money. You can't sit there and do jobs for free. And that's what a lot of people around here expect people to do in lawn care is to keep that cheap price, that more affordable price. But like I say, when you spend $100 a day, you know, people here want you to spend, they want to spend $25 per week. So if you did that, I charge more than that. But there's a lot of people here that charge $25 per week. Okay, so if you have a list of 30 people, that's $3,000. And for me alone to do what I have, cost me $3,000 a month to do mowing. It's costing me $100 a day to mow lawns here in my city. So that being said, just drop down in the comments. Let me know what you guys are doing, how you guys turning profits. Love to hear what you guys got to say. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the Chia Nation. Give the video a thumbs up. Let me know what you're doing. I'll be back. I'll try to answer everybody that says something. So just do what you gotta do. Gotta go mow. It's a beautiful day outside. So yeah, that's it. Let me know how you're making profits in the 2022 world of high gas prices.